let us all come together and pray for India, pray for Prime Minister Modi. May all your aspirations, may your vision and your service to India bear fruit. May you overcome each and every single obstacle, and may your dream of a even brighter, stronger, more prosperous India be fulfilled. But above all, we would like to take a moment and pray for the people who sadly lost their lives yesterday in Delhi. We'd like to pray for them. Las ngachigutugel.